To me, the biggest difference between farmed food and farmed livestock and fisheries is the land transformation. That if you go to farmed areas, you will find that all of the native ecosystem has been removed in order to plant crops, or in the case of grazing, replacing whatever was there before. In New Zealand, it would be a forest with forage crops. And the entire natural ecosystem is gone where the crops are produced. Now, in contrast, in the ocean, we don't harvest the primary producers, that is the equivalent of the trees or the grass, the plants. We also don't harvest the things that eat that the equivalent of the deer and the seed-eating birds in the ocean are small zooplankton, and except in a couple places in the world, those are not harvested. The impact of fishing in the ocean is almost exclusively on the target species. That's a very small part of the ocean ecosystem. So the big difference between fisheries and farming is we leave the base of the food chain intact in the ocean, and whereas farming removes the base of the food chain. So there's really no comparison between the environmental impact of fisheries and the environmental impact of farming. It's not to say we shouldn't farm. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for farming. But when we start criticizing fisheries for its environmental impact, we have to take it into account that this is much, much lower than what we've been accepting for millennia for the impact of farming.